Hi kids, welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing this random game. I've never played it before, but I want to see if it's like a good game actually. Oh god, what the? Can I move? Yes, I can. Do squirrels eat? Okay, it's a tornado. I don't know. Dude, I don't really care. What is happening to God? God, are you okay? You sound like, oh, okay. And now I'm trying to run. Help me. Help me. Help me. I'm dying. I'm dying in here. You're bullying me. You're seriously bullying me. Oh God, I need your help. These kids are bullying me. Why do you bully me? Let me up. Let me up. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Yeah, I died. No way. Because that annoying hole. And I'm still. I can't see. That guy died over there. And which way do I get in? Do I get in this way? I'm in a building. Why am I getting hurt? I'm in a building. Okay, let me in there. Let me in. Let me in. I'm gonna die. If you don't let me in, I'm gonna die. Okay, let me out here. Yeah, I think you have to survive. I don't know what happens if you don't survive. Because I'm hiding in this little space. Oh my god, this is a god spot. Okay, how long does this really last? Oh, let's go. Let's go, my guy. Let us go. Yeah, I'm pretty sure game is about like you have to survive and you're like raving right through it. I'm pretty sure you have to like survive and you get points or something. I don't know. I've never played this. Let me up, boy. Oh no, red car's mine. Oh no, Gibbs on brown car. Gibbs on brown car. The brown car's mine. Goodbye. No, get out of my car. Get out of my car. Kid, get out of my car. Get out. I'm gonna smash you. Oh my god, you ugly people. Get out of my way. You know what? I'm walking. I'm walking. Goodbye. Goodbye. I'm literally waving goodbye. Okay, what is this? I thought, is there type of. Am I gonna fall down, Santa? Tsunami? What's the highest? Santa, you're really mean. No offense. Oh, let me up, boy. Let me up. Let me up. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, no one can hurt me. Don't push me off, you little bullies. 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 No. No, you stop trying to push me. Push this kid. Ah! Ah! I died. I literally died. This guy just pushed me off. I died. That doesn't make sense. Need a lift? Oh, hell no. I don't need a Gee. I just. Can I. Hey, you kid. Can I pop that balloon? Do I have a pin? Can I use my fist? I'll punch you. Get back here. This guy's seriously doing it. Power, baby. No, no one saw that. I have Robux actually though. It says I don't have Robux, but I just bought like 1,000,000 Robux. About 10,000, I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is not glass. I am not going to jump, and I'm gonna push one of you. I push you. Get in there. Again? Oh my lord. These kids are just gonna be addicted to cars. Oh, a tornado. It's so tornado. You're gonna let me in the brown car, right, God? Okay, I'm in the brown car. Goodbye, I go. Dude, I'm literally running from life. Can you? Goodbye. It's Tornado Seek Shelter. Get inside. Get inside of life. Oh, or it's good. I'm hiding behind a ladder. This is just funny. Dodge flying object. But nothing flies, right? No, nothing flies. Can you just like go up here and you won't take damage? My head. My head is too big. No, I wanna go up. I wanna go up. I wanna go up. But life bullies me. Life won't even let me go up. Oh my god. This is just sad. Like, oh, life is literally sad. Life is so mean to me. Life is just the worst. You know what I mean? I'm just kidding. Alright, so is I don't all I see is a flying man. I don't oh my god, I don't think you actually take damage. And why was I climbing on an invisible ladder? Oh no, it just does it. Wee no. Oopsie. So you take damage when you fall. This game is so realistic. What? Okay. What do you mean? What do you mean? Red apples. Bleh. High school. What? Okay, did you hear my brother who's like 25 million years old? He's like 25 years old. My mom is dead. What is this disaster? Do we have to jump off the school? Get outside? Alright. Goodbye. Goodbye. Let me out. Let me out. Goodbye. Oh my god. Did I just suffocate? Um, yeah. I really just suffocated. Link in the description. No, you don't. Don't. Oh, also, before the video ends, make sure to like and subscribe, or this thingy, my avatar, whatever you call it, will pop up in your bed and eat you if you don't like and subscribe. Subscribe. I don't. Wise God. I'm gonna jump out a window. So there's a window right here, but there's not a window right here. Can I just push this kid off? Die. Kid, you're standing on thin air and I just died. Why are you bullying me? Oh my god. Oh, I killed that guy too. Oh, he's so bad. I killed him too. An apple a day, said that I know. It's an apple a day keeps your butt away. Your butt. Okay, I'm gonna shove one of you off, and it's gonna be the guy who's standing. Oh no no no! Oh my god. No one likes anyone. Miss Fairy Girl. Um, I don't think you're a fairy. Oh, okay, where is she? Patty Cake, where the hell are you? No one like no one shot. Oh, it's a tornado. Get the hell inside here. Get the hell. I don't think I'm allowed to say that. That's a potty word. Snickers. No, I don't snicker. Eat your snickerdoodles, kid. Burp. I'll push you out. Get on. Get on out of here. I'm too weak. No, I'm not. Oh my god, what the heck? Are you bullying me? Flash flood. That's dope, my guy. Seek high and stable ground. My life is. I mean, the most stable you can get is like. Alright, I need someone to stand still like this guy. Alright, kid, I'm gonna help you. Oh my god, everyone. Oh my god. Well, we all died. Yeah, there's no way anyone's surviving. I died. No one survived. No one survived. I'm so telling you that. Anyone survives it, they're hacking. Oh my god, those guys were so hacking. There's no way you actually survive that. Dude, you kids are actually hacking. An apple saves the day. One apple a day saves. Okay, I had no survival. I have 12. My god. Oh, I love the, no, wait, what? This looks cool. I'm getting in this one. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Oh my god, I can't even get in. Move, you ugly girl. Right, let me in. Let me in. Oh my god. Let me in. Let me sit down. I wanna sit down. Dude, why do I look like I'm frozen? Okay, if it's tsunami, just swear, just hope God that. Oh God, this was a really bad idea. Well, this is a great shelter. And down we go. Why are we going down? Shouldn't we be going up? Is this the new way Ferris wheels work? Is this the new way how Ferris wheel? Oh God. You just see my head fling. Oh, my body's still alive. My body. And how did I get my body back? Alright, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe, or I will eat you up. Goodbye.